switch the power there.
রিডিং হচ্ছে মেন।
আমাকে এখানে সার্কিট বানানো লাগতেছে।
এই যে
Channel 1
Negative.
is US1. It's 15 volts. So the black side goes to node E. Node E is between R2 and R4. So R2 is here, R4 is here. So this is node E. And then the red wire. Red wire goes to node A. Node A is on the left side of 150 ohms. So we put the red wire, insert the red wire here. So we have already applied the US1, and then US2 is between node C and node D. Use another pair of wire. So the red wire goes to node C, and the black wire goes to
D.
node D. Yeah, node D. And then we will set the voltage source. What it says, the instruction is under the remote control. You can simply press the back button here to unlock the remote control. And then we set 15 volts, and then channel 2 we set 10 volts here, and then okay. The first thing we need to measure is I1, I2, and I3. Okay, I1.
Red.
Okay, we got I1 here, 56.7 milliampere, and then I2. Where's I2?
Below.
This is I2. We got I2 is
62.
61.9.
62.
more or less okay, 62.4. Yeah, and then I3 minus 5 milliampere. So that's the first question. Okay, and then the second part is KVL, right? KVL is the same circuit here. Same circuit here. We use the multimeter. So the first thing we need to measure is UBE. So the black probe goes to node E. Node E is here, and node B is here. Node B is here, and then we turn on the multimeter, switch it to V bar. So this is the first. This is the value we'll need to put down. UBE is equal to 6.30. 6.30. And then the same method, UEA. UEA. The first letter means the red probe. The second letter means the black probe, UEA. Okay, so UEA we got is minus 15 volts here. And then the third one, UAB. We change the red probe to node A, and then the black probe to node B. So UAB is equal to 8.69. Okay, and it's the same method to measure the UBC, UCD, UBE, and the UEB. We just changed the red probe and the black probe. Okay. And then the third one, the potential measurement. First, we take the C node as our reference point. So the black probe should go to node C. Node C is here. Change the black probe to here. And then the first thing we'll need to measure is VA, and then VB, VC, VD, and VE. So we just change the red wire, the red probe to node A. So VA is 7.57, and then VB is here. That is minus 1.11, and then VC here is gonna be 0, and then VD is here. We got minus 10.01, and then no, we got minus 7.43, and it's the same method to measure the second row. We just change the red probe to node E. Change it to node E, and then the red probe goes to node B, node C, node D, and node E. Okay, the first three experiments are the same circuits. You can first finish the first three, and then I'll do the demonstration of the superposition and the Thevenin theorem after you finish the first.